looking. Up for sale today we have a 1946 Monarch 10 double lead precision lathe, and we're just going to do a quick demonstrational video to show you that it's operational. And yeah, this is equipped with the under generator drive system. So the first thing that you have to do is turn on the generator. The first demonstration we're going to do is going to be in the back here, the lower speed setting. This is your speed adjustment knob right here, and this controls your forward and reverse. So first we're going to start out in forward. You just simply turn this knob clockwise to increase the speed. Back to neutral. Now in reverse. As you can see, it slows down. Speeds up properly as it should. Now we're going to go into the regular speed mode. Once again, forward. This particular chuck is only rated at 1,500 RPMs, so that's all the higher we're going to take it. However, the machine is capable of 2,500 RPMs. It is equipped with a nice Sony 2-axis digital readout, which is properly functioning. To zero it out, simply hit over to your reset on each axis. The two are independent of each other. Also equipped with a nice period correct work light, which as you can see is functional as well. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call Central Penn Machinery at 717-926-3975. Thanks.